Well, hello explorers, I'm Daniel, and we are today going to talk about a planetary conjunction that hasn't happened in over 400 years. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity because it's not going to happen again for about 800 years. I'm talking about what some are calling the Christmas star, but it's not a star at all. It's actually two planets lining up so that we can see them in a line. And to get an idea of what's happening, if we were Earth and Earth was this light bulb, and you have Jupiter and Saturn, you would see them going around the sun, and most of the time they'd be in the sky like two big dots. But in this case, they've lined up, so as we look from Earth, they look like they're right next to each other, all lined up in a row. We'll see that on the computer in just a second. We are excited because they're going to be so close to each other that with the naked eye, they're going to look like one planet, but through a telescope, you'll be able to see them in one image. One telescope will be able to see both Saturn and Jupiter in the same image. You'll be able to see the moons of Jupiter and the rings of Saturn through one telescope. Now, if we look at it here on the screen, I've actually got it set up so we can see the sun in the middle. We can see the Earth is this little blue circle right outside the sun. Then the next big circle that you see is Jupiter. Then the next big circle would be Saturn. And we can see if we draw this line between Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn, they make a straight line. And that's how we're able to see this planetary conjunction, even with all the millions of miles in between. Now, like I said, this isn't going to happen again for about 800 years. So if it's cloudy where you live, don't worry. Get online, go to one of the astronomy sites that's out on the internet, and there's several observatories across the country that are going to be live streaming their telescope's view of this. So if it happens to be cloudy where you're at, we'll hope that it's not cloudy over the whole US and that some of our observatories will get some great shots. But I promise you, come December 21st, this once in a lifetime opportunity is one you're not going to want to miss.